How to replace this lower control arm on this Toyota RAV4. We're going to begin by removing these two nuts and the bolt. Once they are out of the way, we're going to pull on the control arm and move the ball joint to the side. Now we need to remove this 19 millimeter bolt. We're going to need to hold the nut up top with a wrench. Once that's out of the way, we need to remove these two 22 millimeter bolts. I like to use a swivel and a shallow 22 socket. Once everything's loose and removed, we're going to wiggle out the control arm. Make sure you transfer over the hardware. The hardware matters in the direction it goes in, so make sure to install it in the same way. We're going to install the new control arm. Make sure to line up the back first, then feed the long bolt through and hold it down with a nut. Before you tighten the back, make sure you line up the front too. Make sure you start everything by hand to prevent cross-threading. Once everything is started by hand, you are going to tighten it down. You're going to start with the back bolt and then zap down these two front bolts. Once that's tight, we're going to line up the ball joint back in the controller. We're going to install these two nuts and a bolt before tightening it down. Make sure to always perform an alignment after suspension work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.